Now the tally menu allows us to drive different parameters to indicate tally. So now we'll talk about how tally can be input through GPIs in another video when we talk about GPIs. But we would turn it on here, select the GPI source, and then what do we want to have happen when the tally is activated? Do we want to change the color of the frame? We can push preview and we can see what it's going to look like. That simulates the tally being activated. We could change the color of the text. So we could switch it from green to white. And again, you could customize this. We could make that be red as well. And then we could also change the color of the background behind the text. So I could simulate that by pressing preview as well. Or you can do all three. Or you could have them be different colors. Boy, that looks like mud. But that's what I chose to do. So let's just actually not change the label text, and I think it'll look pretty good. There we go. Now, there's 2 levels of tally. So I can have different GPI inputs driving different actions. So I could have tally 2 be a green color for the frame, which would look like that, and I can have tally 1 be a red color for the frame, which will look like that. So 2 levels of tally. Now the audio menu allows you to turn on audio meters for this frame. So there's 4 different options for that. We can say group 1, so we have 4 channels on. Group 2, which would be 8 channels, and 4 groups, which is all 16. Now I want you to notice that this is just a preview of the audio meters. If I look at the real output, we can see the audio meters working. And if I was to go and customize that, let's just say 1 group, now I'll only have my audio meters for channels 1 and 2. That's all that's feeding this, this video cell at this time. This is where you set the reference level of the audio meters, and this is where we determine how fast the peaking is, which is the little bump up on the top that moves up and down showing peaking.